Okay, let's dive into a conflict that's rapidly going global, with shockwaves that could affect all of us.
To really get why, we need to start with just one number. It reveals the massive global stake here.
Yeah, that's how much of the entire world's oil supply is now at risk in the Strait of Hormuz.
So how did we even get here? Let's quickly break down the situation on day 4.
At its core, you've got these sustained military operations between the US, Israel, and Iran.
And this is crucial. The conflict has spilled over. It's now targeting key energy and logistics routes.
This escalation is leading to the single biggest development we've seen so far. It's a big one.
It all started with this direct warning from Iran, basically halting all traffic through this vital passage.
In response, marine insurers just pulled their coverage, making it financially impossible for many to operate there. And the immediate result? Well, over 150 commercial vessels are now just stranded or rerouting. Okay, so this shutdown is kicking off a global economic shockwave. Let's trace the impact.
With ships unwilling to even enter the area, freight rates for oil tankers have just surged.
Of course, energy markets reacted instantly. Brent crude jumped about 10 to 15%.
And get this, analysts are warning the prices could approach $100 a barrel.
This uncertainty is also pushing investors toward safer bets, like gold. And the disruption isn't just at sea. The ripple effect has now hit the skies, too.
Missile and drone threats have forced airspace closures, snarling travel, tourism, and all kinds of logistics.
So as the crisis grows, the world is on high alert. The pressure for de-escalation is really mounting.
Diplomatic efforts are underway, but nations are also preparing to protect shipping lanes.
In the short term, say the next 24 to 48 hours, expect more of the same.
So that brings us to the key question. What is the most critical thing to watch right now?
The answer, it seems, is maritime security in the Strait of Hormuz. Everything hinges on this.
Which is why discussions are already underway about using naval escorts for oil tankers.
As the world watches, what unforeseen shockwave could possibly come next? Something to think about.